Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Porsche 911 door panel. First, gather your tools, including a trim removal kit and Torx drivers. Safety is key, so disconnect your car's battery before you begin. Next, carefully locate and remove any visible screws or small trim pieces that secure the door panel. Take your time with these initial steps to prevent any accidental damage to your vehicle's interior. Now, let's move to the door's functional components. Using a plastic trim tool, gently pry up the window switch panel. Once it's loose, carefully disconnect all the electrical connectors attached to the switch unit. After that, locate and remove any screws that secure the door handle and the armrest assembly. These steps ensure you can fully separate the panel later without resistance. With the smaller components out of the way, it's time to detach the main door panel. Use your trim tool to carefully release the plastic clips that hold the panel to the door frame. Work your way around the entire perimeter, applying even pressure to avoid bending or breaking the panel. Once all clips are free, lift the entire door panel upwards to clear it from the window channel. Finally, disconnect any last electrical wires or cables still attached to the door panel. Once everything is free, carefully set the panel aside in a safe, clean area where it won't get scratched or damaged. Reassembly is essentially the reverse of these steps. Remember to check the description for a link to some great leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, plus other helpful deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.